Dodge Caravan 2014. I have this screens with dashcade and wire harness, and this is the dashcade. So how to remove the audio? You just need the dashcade removal. It's very easy. Just stand here. This. This. Okay. So radio has 4 screws. I already removed it. In here is the screw. 1 screw, 2, 3, 4. Once you remove the screw, the rod is difficult to remove it. You just need to put it like in here or here. Remove the rod. Okay. I removed the rod already. The socket. This car has factory camera also. This is for camera and this is for first. This is the dash kit. I'll put it like this. When you see the hole, make it sound like half. So 1 screw, 2, 3, 4. Then you screw. When you put it for the screw, then the original dash kit. Put the original dash kit on it. Okay. It's perfect. See there, you see? No hole. So now this is for touch, plug and play. So I just move the main wire. Okay, so I pass the microphones. I put it in here, and this is a microphone, and the 2 USB cable. And also I have it. Here's the USB cable. Okay. So I bring the 2 USB cable. Place it from here. Okay. So this is the main wire. It doesn't need to cut the wire. Just okay, so this is the canvas, and this is our plug and play. And this, don't forget to plug this and under the screens in here. This is for volume string button control in here. If you doesn't plug it to the screens, your volume string control button doesn't work. See it? Okay, so everything is plugged. Now, so this is for audio antenna. This adapter is for audio antenna. Just so once I bring in here, this is the antenna into USB cable, and there is 2 Dodge Caravan, the wire stamp. So this Dodge Caravan has factory camera. So if it's stamped like with white, this is for camera. So if the car doesn't have factory camera, this wire will not come just the main power. So now I plug everything to the screens. So okay, so I finish everything. I plug the main harness. And so this is very important. Just a minute. This is for volume string control buttons. I plug it. This is for 2 USB and camera and radio antenna. Now, so just here. Plug and play. Everything is finished. So it's finished. Now I'm gonna start this game. Okay, so the screen is start and yet 10-inch screens. Very professional. You can buy it, the frame and screens online from AliExpress, Alibaba. So okay. Now when you turn on, now the screen is on. I'll go to the radio, I'll check the sounds. Okay.
I didn't get a book. I had to go back home when my spouse and I we opened cuisine. Just
the volume string button is not working. Now you will go to the screen and you will find the car model and year and you will program it. Now when I press it, it doesn't work. So I have to go to car settings in here, factory reset. Every screen menu is different, but mine is like this. So car type, you'll select the canvas. I'll go to the keyword and find Jeep. You doesn't need to find Dodge, you just need to find Jeep, Caravan. Okay, so I'll just click a Jeep canvas. Okay. So now it's not working. I have to select simple softs. I'll go to Chrysler and I'll select Jeep, this one's, to see what's happened. Okay, now it's working. So you have to go and find like the right canvas type. So I went to the simple soft and the Chrysler Jeep, and I select Jeep, this one's. So just press it. Okay, now the control button is up, down, everything is working. Okay, perfect. So this screen has Carplay also. I will connect. So